Hello everyone, John here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon, here to talk to you about another great destination trailer. It's our Salem Grand Villa 42 ice floor plan here, double axle, a little bit smaller than the other ones we've had in the past, but still great quality and craftsmanship here. It's going to have your thicker gauge aluminum siding on the exterior, along with your tankless hot water heater system, underbelly enclosed. Easy steps to get inside with a sliding glass door, so if you want to build a deck on the exterior of it, definitely gives you the option, an opportunity to do so. As we step inside, you're going to have easy steps to get to the overhead bunk right into the entryway there for us. Rear bathroom located here with one-piece fiberglass roof, plumb for washer and dryer option, porcelain toilet. Nice L-shaped kitchen sofa there. Lots of storage and organization, residential appliancing, of course your convection fridge and oven with a 3-4 stovetop gas burner. Massive pantry space over here. Drop-in stainless steel sink with lots of counter space with another easy steps to get up top of the overhead bunk up there. 2 AC units. As we step into the master bedroom, nice king size versatile bed here for you. Nice wardrobe closet space. Organization built-in fireplace mounted for TV. Hidden storage underneath this first bracket here for you. So even more organization, so nothing's lost of space here for you to maximize as much as you can. Nice wardrobe closet. So if you have any questions, want to come down here at Johnson RV, get a chance to take a look at our destination trailer lineups. Ask for John, one of our associates. Be happy to take care of you.